Hey, welcome to Stupid Food Review Show. I'm your host as always, Jesus and a Tortilla. We're at Big Boy because they have these new, you know what? I used to love Wendy's ciabatta sandwiches. Chicken salad ciabatta sandwich, one of the best sandwiches ever. Can't do it, can't get them, but now you can get a ciabatta sandwich at Big Boy. They have 3 new ones. They have one, they're like a breakfast one that's a grilled chicken one, and one's a fried chicken one. It's a chicken cordon bleu. That's what I got. So here we go. At Big Boy. Did not know the price when I ordered them. Insane price. Insane. I don't know, but whatever. It's a big, big sandwich. I will say that. Wow. Look at that. That is smoking hot, too. It's so hot I can't even hold it. There's fried chicken it's a big piece of fried chicken. There's ham. And there's Swiss. And it also comes with honey mustard, but I don't like honey mustard. So I didn't get any honey mustard. Man, this thing is smoking hot. This is really, really big. I won't bitch about the price so much. Man, this thing is smoking hot. Here we go. Pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. That is really good fried chicken. That's a nice piece of ham. You got Swiss cheese, and that ciabatta bread is just amazing. Gotta go in again. So crunchy. I'm doing this right in front of the restaurant. So many people taking their picture in front of the Big Boy statue. Right next to me. Staring at me. Looking like I'm a weirdo. Anyway. This is a really good sandwich. I'm going to say it was like $11, almost $12. But that is a big piece of chicken. That's a huge piece of bread. I can't find anything wrong with it. It's really good. So there you go. The new Ciabatta chicken cordon bleu sandwich. And it's like almost $12, but it's actually, you know what? It's almost worth it. It's almost worth it. Maybe it could be like 10, but I think it's worth it. I enjoyed it. I'm going to have to say, man, that sandwich is good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put spicy mayo on it when I get home. Let's see. Good sandwich. They didn't fuck this one up. This is a damn good sandwich. They have screwed up a lot of my orders recently. This is like a good sandwich. Can't say anything wrong with it. 9.4. Love you guys. Love you, babe.